Uy, papalapit na ang Pasko and good news dahil na-discover ko tong one-stop shop na ito. Tara! Yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Ang All Home San Ildefonso ay mas pinarami na ang items at products na ino-offer. Starting with All Home alone with their appliances, furniture, decors, lighting, tiles and sanitary, hardware, garden needs, pet accessories, cleaning materials, doors, paints at marami pang iba. Pero ano nga ba ang bago? Meron din ditong all-day mini mart. Kung balak nyo mag-grocery or bumili ng drinks, chocolate, snacks, or Christmas package, ay meron dito. Nandito din ang Cal for clothing apparel for men and women and kids. All toys for dolls, stuffed toys, inflatable pools at iba pa. All sports for sportswear, rubber shoes, gym equipment, and bags. At kung nagutom ka kakaikot, pwede ka mag-food trip sa Uno Mass Food Truck with their Mexican snacks like tacos, burritos, and quesadillas. At Omo Food Truck with their Korean snacks. At kung gusto mo naman magkape, nandito lang naman ang Coffee Project. Open sila from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. May malawak na parking at nasa waist up din naman. O ano pa hinintay nyo? Tara na at mag-shopping dito sa All Home San Ildefonso. Let's go!